Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the food fight arena. This is a scheduled 5-round bout in the lean protein division. In one corner, weighing in at a lean 165 calories per serving, the undefeated meal prep master, chicken breast. And in the other corner, swimming in with those omega-3 bombs, it's the heart health hero, salmon. Right out the gate, chicken starts off strong with 31 grams of pure, clean protein per 100 grams. That's lean, that's mean, and that's a bodybuilder's dream. But wait, here comes salmon, landing a solid strike with 25 grams of protein and a perfect amino acid profile. Slightly less protein, but the quality is top tier. Hold up, salmon is turning the tide. Boom. A wild omega-3 uppercut lands clean. With over 2,000 milligrams of DHA and EPA, salmon is melting inflammation, improving brain function, and lowering heart disease risk like a pro. Chicken tries to counter, only 3.6 grams of fat per serving, clean and lean, but without that fatty acid firepower. We're in the money round. Chicken's corner is loving this, $2 to $4 per pound on average, easily found in any grocery store. Salmon's throwing back, but it's wobbling. Fresh fillets can go $8 to $15 per pound. That's a budget gut punch. Sure, canned salmon tags in from the bench, but it's not enough to steal the round. Let's talk flavor moves. Chicken hits with versatility: baked, grilled, fried, shredded, stuffed. It adapts to any kitchen style. Salmon responds: oh wow, crispy skin, cedar plank grilled, sashimi raw, elegance and flavor sophistication. But if you overcook either, dried chicken or fishy disaster, pick your poison. Final round, folks. Salmon comes flying in with vitamin D, B12, selenium, and potassium. It's not just fish, it's a multivitamin with fins. Chicken's hanging in there, solid source of B6, niacin, phosphorus, and selenium, very respectable, but salmon's got those brain and heart benefits stacked. What a fight! That was 5 rounds of pure nutritional warfare. Chicken held it down for the budget-conscious meal preppers, packing the clean protein punch. But salmon? Man, the omega-3s, the nutrient profile, it just kept landing shots that matter long-term. This one's going to the judges. And by split decision. Your winner, salmon.